this is Chris of Chickens for Chicks. This is where my babies are, and I would love for you to come on along with me on my journey in homesteading and learning about my chickens and doing all that fun stuff. Well, I got one of my babies. I found my old ferret cage, and so I figured I'd go ahead and put him in there. It's not huge, but it's better than that. So, hey. Boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Give him some grass and some bedding. There we go. You can scratch around and do all that stuff. So, this is my little one that if he heals up, I'm hoping to put with my polishes. Pretty damn sure it's a rooster. If it's not a rooster, then it got in one hell of a fight with my other rooster. So, we'll check back with him tomorrow and see how the night goes. See if his water, I'm not sure if I should put his water up on the gate, that ramp, or not, but he seems to be enjoying it. And this is my Shiba of my son's. It's amazing what the vibration of a shock collar, not shocked her yet, but the vibration does in resisting that chicken. He still doesn't have a name. A lot of them don't. So, alright.